Good everyone, you're watching Rate Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about if your spell check stopped working in your Microsoft Edge. Now, the first step, what I would suggest you to do is to open Microsoft Edge. Once you open Microsoft Edge, you will have to click on three dotted lines at the top right corner to open the settings window. Once you have the list, you will have to go ahead and click on settings. On the settings, on the left hand side, you will have to choose the option which says languages. Now on the right hand side, you will have to go to the writing assistance, switch from Microsoft Editor to Basic, close Microsoft Edge, and then try to open Microsoft Edge, and that should fix the problem. Now this is the quick fix to resolve this issue. In spite of trying this issue, if you're still facing a problem, in spite of trying this, if you're still facing a problem, the next step is to go ahead and reset Microsoft Edge. To do this, you will have to open Microsoft Edge and then click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then go to the settings window. Once you're on the settings window, on the left hand side, you may go ahead and click on reset settings. And then on the right hand side, you will have to go to the option which says restore settings and then click on reset. This should reset your Microsoft Edge to the default. Close Microsoft Edge and then try to open Microsoft Edge. This should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the third step, what you could also do is to go ahead and check your language settings for your Windows. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on time and language. And then on the right hand side, you will see an option which says language and region. Click on it. And then make sure your preferred language is being set to the primary one. So in case if your preferred language is English United States, make sure it has been set to primary one. You can use this list to switch or toggle between the primary language or the secondary language. In case if you have more than one languages, if you want to make the third one as a primary language, then you can drag and drop to the and make sure the third language as a primary language. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then try to open Microsoft Edge, and then that should fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.